Good morning, coach. Another big game against Bechem United, a side that you admire so much. How do we approach this one on Sunday?
Good morning, Stephen, and good morning to the whole family, the Kotoko family. I think, as you've rightly said, Bechem is a very good side. It's a side I admire so much because I always talk about them with you in terms of the way they organize themselves on the field. I think offensively, they are a very good side. They have some good central midfielders who can hold on to the ball and then look for the spaces and then exploit those spaces. So it gives them a strength when it comes to when they have possession of the ball. So it makes their game very offensive in nature, especially when they are on the road. They are always in the mood to try and score. So they are a good side. They are a side I admire, and I think that on Sunday they are going to give us a good match.
Coach, talking of your home matches, just as Bechem have had a good home record, yet to concede. It has been a brilliant start when as we return to Baba Yara Stadium. How do you look forward to continue this streak of victories?
Yeah, I think, as you said, it's been good since we came back. We are winning games, and the games we are winning is giving us confidence to be able to play at home. So, emotionally, at Baba Yara now, I think the players are very stable. They look very confident. They look very motivated because of the wins that we've been able to garner at Baba Yara. So, we are ready. We are ready for the game on Sunday.
Coach, what has been the biggest, as in the dark side of this season, has been the issues with injuries? Are we likely to have new names?
Yeah, yeah, fortunately for us, it's improving. The situation is improving gradually. For now, I think it's only Saka who is out and not training now. According to the medical team, he has to be away for about 10 to 14 days, which he has already started. Ablo was with the team, and then upon further examinations, when he started training with the team, they also advised that he also stays away for between 10 to 14 days. Fernando has joined the team and is training, and it is looking good and looking ready. For Asante, he has just started training with the team. So for Korte, we all know he's out for the rest of the season. So basically, these are the injury concerns in camp. Apart from that, all others are ready for selection for the game on Sunday.
Coach, have they given you a word of encouragement, like assurance that on Sunday they are going to do the job for you in terms of picking the victory?
Yes, yes, yes. They look very positive in terms of their body language. Mentally, they look very positive. I'm saying this based on the fact that they were disappointed as a team when we failed to pick the maximum points at Kwandu, due to the fact that, according to them, we had some excellent moments that we could have taken advantage of, and even the manner in which we considered our goal. At the end of the game, in the dressing room, they all had their heads down, and I had to talk to them to let it go. We came back, we put them in the structure to look at how we consider the goal and other situations. And after that, I think they have been good emotionally. They are smiling, they are happy at training. So everybody looks ready and poised for action on Sunday. So emotionally, the atmosphere in camp is good.
Coach, thank you very much and wish you the very best for Sunday.
Welcome, Steve.